up, guys?
Yeah, I was with him. I was right in front of him, and
Is this your guys' stop here? Or?
well, that's
this is one of his buddies.
One of my friends.
Following us.
I've been friends with him for a long time, and you know, I'm a licensed driver. I don't think he had his license. He just got this vehicle, so I don't want it. Last vehicle he had got impounded. So.
You don't have to say nothing to me. I'm just a regular person. So.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering. I see your vest.
I just wear when I go out and I record.
Oh yeah.
Just there's a lot of reports for shots fired and stuff
There
out
is,
here, so I just try to stay safe when I'm out here.
Okay.
At
I'm
night.
Chris.
I'm Justin. I'll give you a fist bump.
Am I out of Jackson BOB?
Pardon me?
Am I out of Jackson BOB?
BOB. Nice to meet you, guy.
Sorry, I'm talking to somebody.
I've got a channel. I go by Freedom News now. I've got YouTube.
If you need to call me back, you got a pen and paper? I can give you my phone number.
517.
Okay.
Wow, they're really going through it, aren't they?
Yeah, I don't know if they gave them permission, but I'm trying to do anything I can to keep that vehicle.
Yeah, I'm not going to mess with them. They're working, so I'm just going to stay back and let them do their work.
There's no drugs in the vehicle, so.
Hopefully not.
No, there isn't.
I think mainly what they're looking for, they've been doing a lot of stops tonight and this weekend. A lot there's for.
Yeah. Well, there's
they're
no
looking.
guns,
they're looking.
no,
That's what they're looking
you know
for.
what I'm saying?
That's the
There's none
main
of that.
thing. See here, the police are really going through the car right here. It's a maroon colored Chevy SUV. Got 2 JPD units on scene.
I do not know. I think they're just holding them on a warrant.
They've got one person detained right now on a possible warrant. Wow. You can see here they got 2 JPD units on scene. Going through the vehicle right now, searching for any sort of illegal contraband. And got one person detained for a possible warrant, and they've got 2 other people out of the vehicle. There are 3 total people occupied by 3 times. We're down here on Franklin and Mechanic Street in Jackson, Michigan. Got a traffic stop for no plate on a vehicle. It's occupied 3 times. Got 1 person in the patrol unit detained for a possible warrant. notice how these officers are real careful to keep 1 foot on the pavement at all times. That way judges have always reaffirmed that they're not entering in a vehicle. It's not entering a vehicle unless your feet are completely off the ground and in the vehicle. They'll always keep 1 foot on the ground. That's one of their tricks they like to use to, violate rights. Potential rights violation.
Hey, bud, you got
How you
a phone
doing?
number?
Pardon
Or a
me?
card or anything?
I can be found on YouTube real easy. I'm live right now.
Yeah.
Freedom News Now. Just
Right.
put that in.
Okay.
That's the best way. In my emails, you can find my email on
Yeah,
there and
yeah,
any of my contact
Just in
information.
case I need the video.
Yeah, because it's all that live, and
Yeah. No, most definitely.
I'll have this.
What was
This
it?
may or may
Freedom
not get
Fighters?
published. It's called Freedom News Now. Should pop right up. Facebook, YouTube. YouTube's what I'm
Right
on
there?
right now. That's Facebook, but go to the YouTube one. Yeah, right there. See what that. Let me see what
Alright.
I want to see what my live stream looks like right now. That's me.
How do I
Hit that
subscribe?
top one where I'm live right there. Hit subscribe, the red button. Yep. Okay, you're sub. Now go to that live. Yeah, hit the live.
So,
Probably not a very good image from back there
No,
because
it's
it's
watery.
raining and stuff.
If I want to find your email, where do I go?
Go to the about section. It's just freedomnewsnow2@gmail.com, but it's in the about section. It's real easy to. Yeah.
Right there?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, if you need anything or you need any of this, just let me know and I can email it to
Yeah,
you or
for
send
sure.
it to you. I was on the scene, got one guy out of handcuffs earlier today, so hopefully we can get this one.
Yeah.
That was a sheriff deputy. No license plate, same type of stop, no plate for this vehicle. There's no plate on that one, they let him go. We'll see. I'm guessing, I think they may, well, if he's got a warrant, they probably won't.
It's out
but-
of Indiana.
Oh, okay, well, it might not be. I don't have my. It's probably too far to transport or to lodge for that.
But they can hold 'em.
Come and get 'em or not.
They could hold them if they want to come get
Another
them.
one right there.
Another one coming. Oh, that's not. That's a truck.
Being nosy or not.
Oh, just because we got more people showing up. Looks like, I don't know. So we got a third unit on scene now. Third unit on scene. Okay, so Mountain Dew. I think I'm gonna go get back in some somewhere dry, under this tree. It's a little bit better under this tree. So right now they're doing a test testing a substance, I believe, to see if it's some sort of illegal substance. They've got the sergeant on scene.
Stay right there. Hey, just stay right there. You're right. It's 10 feet of me. You're alright.
I just need to know what's going on.
You want to step over here?
Sure, of course. Stay right by that tree.
Yes.
I think that may wrap it up. Looks like he's going away. I don't know which one he's in. Is he in this? He's probably in this unit. Oh, he was in the other one. Looks like they're gonna let him drive away. Drive the vehicle off and